Taking a look at some of my favorite Kershaw knives from the collection. Let's start off with down at the bottom right here with this little guy. I thought this one would be a great one for carry. Has sort of a carabiner, bottle opener, pry bar, screwdriver tip there. It's a tip down carry. You can flip it to either side. Thumb studs to open, pretty simple, and a nice little Tanto blade, curved, really good for doing tasks and things. However, ended up going with this model, very similar, small size. This one doesn't open as easy anymore because it's definitely been used. Bottle opener, pry bar thing, but what I like about this one is there's the driver, and this one has two bits on the side, and easy to get, easy to use, and nice little knife. Above that is the combination with Emerson. This one is a really neat one. This one is a frame lock, and this one isn't so much a knife as a practice knife. Real easy to open. It's got the Emerson pocket clip there to open it as well. And this one is great for practice and for other things that you might need a not knife, practice knife for. It's tip up carry and a frame lock. Coming down to the bottom, one of my favorite things about some of the Kershaw knives is that they're made in the USA. This is one of the made in USA Ken Onion designs. This one has a lock on it, so once it's closed, you can lock it. And this way it won't open, or it can't open until you open that lock. It's got a lanyard hole there. Tip down carry from just the one side. Nice liner lock, super easy to open. I think this one might be assisted. And a really flat blade. Interesting. Ken Onion designs are really neat. Next up is another Ken Onion made in the USA. This one's a lot different though. Look how it's real curvy, but much larger, completely different materials. Still a liner lock, thumb studs to open, and I think assisted as well. Tip up carry and a lanyard hole in the grip. Really nice, and I'm a big fan of the partial serrations myself. Next up, we'll jump to the flipper, and this is the Kershaw flipper. Super easy to flip, sounds good. It's metal handles, they're pretty narrow. We've got the Kershaw note on the practice blade here. So this is just a practice blade, has a great shape. Locks open real easy, and locks closed. Real easy to flip, great fidget type of flipper. And then last, probably my favorite on the table, is this one. This is the 2038 D2 steel. The crossbolt safety makes it real easy to close, always easy to open with the thumb studs on either side. This one has a really neat lanyard thing in orange is the spacer there, and then it has tip up carry. Everything I'm looking for. If I wanted to, I could flip that clip to the other side. Super easy to open, great blade shape, super easy to close. So that's some of my Kershaw knives out of the collection. Why I bought them. Hope this helps.